they released this back in January, and I didn't realize that. So I just ordered it a couple weeks ago, around in the morning. I'm trying to be careful. It's really nice, basically. But look at that. Oof. They try to open it like that, right? However it may be, but it's just, whoa. Wow, look at that box. So, it's like a hologram type of deal thing. And pretty. Damn. Smells like factory. Obviously the manual. And this token. Where do I stick this? Yeah, it's a magnet. It's pretty cool. It's embossed. Why would I need this? I guess to measure the video card, right? Stand, because it's just too big, right? That's why you need the stand. And we have this toy, fancy. But this is incorrect because it doesn't have the fourth fan. So this is the power supply cable. Power supply that you need is actually 1,000 watts. $50, $50. This is probably $400. This is $500, and then the ruler is like $1,000, and then this sticker is probably maybe $100 as well. Or no, this is not a sticker. This is a Velcro. It's a nice Velcro, so $100. The whopping cost of this. It's well wrapped, right? I'm struggling. How do I take this out?
A few moments later.
Oh my God. God damn. So it's sealed. Oh, let me just put this on the side. So we're left with, man, I hope you're doing the math. Comment down below. Gee, look at that, how beautiful that is. That's insanity. Man, this is massive, right? This is crazy. I mean, like, the video cards in the past were probably 1/10 of it. Oh, now that's the video card, right? So it's metal, but no, this is plastic. But God, Jesus, this is metal. This is metal. But not an actual metal that gets the magnet, right? So 4 fans, this is, I'm not sure if this is a gimmick. The 4th fan, they say it increases 20% cooling. One of the biggest thing that they try to promote is that phase change thermal pads. I honestly don't know if it justifies the price, but it is premium, right? It's pretty solid. So this is plastic, this is metal. The fins, vapor chamber that they say, really, I just see it as a heat sink, all in all. And it's just massive, and it's just out there. Look at that. It's crazy. I hope I don't drop it. Okay, so there's the mode, P and Q, quiet mode, performance mode, I believe. So some sort of switch. There's 4 outputs, video outputs, 2 HDMI and 3 display ports. Pretty nice video card. With my usage of browsing the internet and word processing, creating PowerPoints, I think it's overkill. And do subscribe, click that like button, because I'm also gonna build that on this one, right? So basically, we will be putting it in this case. We're gonna go with the ROG Strix 870 because it's white, it's really nice. Pair it up with the 9900 X3D and 9100 Pro, and water cool it with Corsair. They're pretty amazing. Corsair, please send me the LCD thing, type of thing. I want that. It's just, please, I'll make another video for that. So going back at this, it's just unboxing, really. Just trying to look the feel for it. It's pretty premium. It's pretty heavy. Does it justify the price? I don't think so. But if you're gonna maximize the use of it, this is the OC version. I'm not sure if there's a previous version, non-OC. I think everything's OC, overclock. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate your time. Click that like button to support the channel. Subscribe to see how I build that computer right there. And we'll see you guys in the next video. It's annoying.